wanna be all I can be, not waste my time. It's really cold this morning. Beautiful turn, let's go. Ooh, it's Brisk. Hello, brother. I'll go fuck myself. We gotta put the jacket over the gloves. That's a risky maneuver to do right now. You know, put a little leg out, gotta be fun. On this early Sunday morning. Oh, god damn it, now my other one's undone again. Man, motherfucker is not gonna stay now. Oh yeah, we just gonna have to hide his hand for a minute. Dude, these gloves are normally warm. Not today, it's like 50 though. It should warm up throughout the day. That was a bad turn. We don't talk about it. That one was way better. It started to get a little bouncy. I got scared. I had to slow down. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. Oh, this road sucks. Every time, I told you, every time I come up to this light, it's red. Every goddamn time. Oh man, every time I come up to this light. Better get used to the cold anyways. It's about to be freezing, right? Sheesh. Oh, I can't wait to snowboard, man. Oh my lord. I didn't go at all last year. I did not go a single time. Well, no, that's a lie. I think I did go. I went to my grandma's with like the little one, and we like rode on her hill and stuff, but that's about it. Yeah, that bike's cool. Dude, I remember when the wind used to be so scary. Now it's just like wind. My hands are going numb though. I need better gloves. I thought these would be warm today. I should have worn my snowboarding gloves. Or at least worn my inserts. Dude, he just shot a rock at my leg, bro. God damn, it almost hit my cock. Dude, a cock rock? Oh, that sounds sad. I never want to have that happen. I got scared. I put my foot out. I need to lean different. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. I was leaning like flat. I need to like base over more. I was not doing it well. It's all good though. I know the errors of my way, but I don't know. I think I was going a little bit too fast for my comfort today. I think I was only going like 26 maybe, not even. So like that's not even really fast for that turn. But this is also like the second time I've ridden in probably a month. It's a nice day though. Okay, that was a little bit better. Same speed, but more controlled. Now we're going towards the wind. Oh, it's really cold right now. My mask is fogging up from my my breath. It's okay. It's still early, baby. This dude's riding top down. What a guy. I can't even complain. He doesn't even have a helmet or anything. He's just full bald head, just chilling. I don't think I told you guys, but I went down my first dirt road a couple weeks ago. That was sketchy, bro. I don't think I went over like 30 miles an hour. I'm actually going to a place that's on a dirt road, so maybe we can record a little clip of that. But like, I don't know. I don't like dirt, man. I don't like the roads, because like they just were redoing this stuff and I came through and didn't know it, and it like dropped down to that like ungraded surface. That shit sucks. I think I had a video where I rode on that. I do not like that stuff. I do not like it at all. It's so, I don't know, you feel like you're just like swerving, bro. I don't know how to explain it. It's really awkward. Like it feels like your back tire wants to like swerve out from underneath you like that, basically, like you're drifting. And even your front wheel, like it's like blah, 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 blah. Oh god, please tell me it's not broken down up here and messed up. No, it's not. People are just being weird. I don't know what's happening. Oh, there's a tractor. That's what's going on. People are tweaking about the damn tractor. Oh, yeah. Oh. I love bikes so much. I keep leaning into the corner. There we go, see? Better. I'm gonna end up going down because I'm like literally straight with the bike. It's like counterintuitive, but that's why it's called counter steering. Yay, yay, yay. Oh, we didn't shift. Oh god. Oh God, oh God. I'm so sorry. Oh, I forgot about that bump. Dude, my heart dropped. I'm down to risk it for the biscuit, Bubba. Let's do this little dirt road tidbit and then we are done for the video. I hate it. I hate dirt so much. Okay, so this is actually pretty like solid compared to the other road, but yeah, that'll do it for the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. I will see y'all in the next one, and peace.